Hey guys, it's MonkeyHappy. Are you ready to have some fun, Happy? Look, we've got a puff dispenser. We got to see if Happy can figure out how to work it. Look, we've got puffs, but they're all, look, it's empty. All the puffs are in here. There's nothing in there. So we've got some apple broccoli puffs, some strawberry beet, and some sweet potato and carrot. Go ahead and look in there. Oh, that one's got some in it still. Look, it's empty. What is going on, Happy? Look, they're in here, buddy. You gotta turn this, look. Oh, look, right here. We're gonna dispense some more. Whoa! It puts out a lot, don't it, Happy? You got it? Happy's like, this is a spectacular invention. Bet you Boo could do it. Yeah, I'm not showing you that the top comes off. Turn it, Happy. You got it. Oh, he's still a little baby. He depends on his daddy for everything. Help, Daddy. Have you got puffs all over both of us? Silly. Really? I think he just said I like this. Hasn't figured out how to work this dispenser yet. Watch, Happy. Here you go, do it. You can do it. Oh boy. See all them puffs? Happy, watch me. Look. Look at all the puffs, Happy. What do you think about that? Alright, Happy. You did pretty good. He said, I'm just learning about stuff. I'm little. You're spoiled, Happy. That's what it is. And next time I'm going to be Boo in here, we're going to let him show you how to use it, okay? Okay. He said, I'm trying. Go, Happy. Look. Do it. Turn it. Ready? Here they come. Here they come, Happy. It's raining puffs out of there. All right, Happy. You did really good. Here, we'll get you a few puffs to take. I'll carry your puffs for you, Happy. You getting them? 2 handfuls. You're a messy monkey too, Happy. You're the messiest monkey I've ever been around, ever. Messy Happy. Alright, he's giving everybody a kiss. Say, thanks for watching. Say, I'm just a baby, so I'll learn how to use this dispenser and I'll get my own puffs whenever I want. Yeah. Alright, Happy. So I'll see you in the next video.